Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this brand new 2021 Coachmen Catalina. It's a floor plan of a 343 triple slide out bunkhouse. It's got really super space inside. We'll start on there and you'll have questions, let me know. Okay, this interior is very nice. It's got a big slide out here, and it has the trifold sofa so you can sleep 2 adults in there. You've got your booth dinette. It's got a separate bedroom in the back over there with a queen size bed, which makes it nice and roomy there, so you can have a couple of different family members in there and have the main bed up front still. You do have the refrigerator, and in the sits up a little bit higher, so it's easy to get things in and out of that. You have a nice large sink in the kitchen. You've got your TV entertainment center with a little fireplace. This makes it real nice and cozy as well. You also have like a separate area there if you want to have a washer dryer. It makes it real nice as well for this this trailer to have that. Okay, thank you for this spending some time with me today on this video presentation of this 343 Coachmen. If you have any questions at the end of this video, give me a call. I'd love to answer those questions for you. My name is Tom, and remember, at Guarantee in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.